Hello everyone, Namaskar, welcome to Maths Guidance and welcome to the sixth lecture of chapter 6, that is lines and angles, and this is going to be the concluding lecture of this chapter. Since we have studied all the theorems, all the theories we have studied, and so many problems we have done, but this one is going to be the last lecture, and this is going to be the question and answer session of throughout the chapter. So yes, I hope you are enjoying my videos, and please keep watch till the end. So friends, let's start the video with the problems. So the first question I have taken is, in the given figure, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. Okay, produced to a point S. Let us suppose this is point X. If the bisectors of angle PQR, this is the bisector, and PRS meet at point T. Okay, then prove that angle QTR, means QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. Okay, we are going to prove it. So first of all, what are the given things we will write? Given things are, this is the bisector, QT is the bisector of angle PQR. Okay, QT is the bisector of angle PQR. Also this RT is the bisector of angle PRS, First of all, for our for our benefit, or for our let us see, for our benefit, let us name the angles. Let us suppose I am writing it number 1, I am taking number 2, this whole angle I am taking number 3, and this whole I am taking number 4. Okay, so it's good for us because this will be confusion. To avoid the confusions, let us name the numbers, name the angles as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now let's move on. Since QT is the bisector of angle PQR, okay, so this side it will be half of angle 3, and this side it will be half of angle 3. Okay, we will use it later on. And also RT is also bisector of this angle, so this angle will be half of angle 4. Okay, now let's move on. These are the given things, and QR is extended up to point S. Triangle PQR, side QR is extended to point S. Okay, now what do we want to prove? So to prove is angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. In our terms, in our naming terms, we write it angle QTR is angle 2. Let us write it like this: angle 2 equal to half of angle 1, QPR angle 1. Okay, to avoid doubts, we are naming like this, so we have to prove this one. Now let us prove it. Let us see the proof. Okay, first of all, this triangle, in triangle PQR, we will write like this: in triangle PQR, this angle 4 is the exterior angle. So we will write it like this, that angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. I hope you remember the theorem that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. I always say that this is good to write. It gives a good impression. So what you are using, any theorem, any axiom, you write here. So angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. All right, angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Okay, now let us make it half. dividing throughout by half, dividing throughout by half by 1 by 2, we get what? We get half of angle 4 is equal to half of angle 1 plus angle 3. Okay, like this. Now let us take another triangle, triangle QTR. So in triangle QTR, in triangle QTR, in triangle QTR, this angle, half of angle 3 plus this angle 2 plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, this will be equal to 180 degree. So half of angle 3 plus angle 2 plus this angle is how much? This angle is, this total will be 180 degree. This total will be 180 degree. So only this will be 180 minus angle 4. Okay, 180 minus angle 4, but we have to include this one. So 180 minus half of angle 4, it will be 180 minus half of angle 4, and the whole will be equal to 180 total, sum of all the angles of a triangle. Okay, you can write it here, angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property. This implies this 180 you can cancel out, 180 you can cancel out. So what does it become? Half of angle 3 plus angle 2 minus half of angle 4 is equal to 0, or you can write it angle 2 equal to half of angle 4 minus angle 3. Angle 2 equal to half of angle 4 minus angle 3. Okay, now you just modify it little bit, like this. This implies you keep this angle 4 and angle 3 one side. This implies half of angle 1 is equal to half of angle 4 minus angle 3. This will be 1. Only I have kept this half of angle 1 one side. Half of angle 1 equal to half of angle 4 minus half of angle 3. Okay, so from 1 and 2, what we can say? This side, you see, this side is same, half of angle 4 minus angle 3, half of angle 4 minus angle 3. So from 1 and 2, we can say, from equations 1 and 2, we can say that angle 2 is equal to half of angle 1, and I think this is what we had to prove, angle 2 equal to half of angle 1, Now you write in its nomenclature, angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR, half of angle QPR. Okay, so this is proved. So this was a good question, and I hope everything is clear. Okay, so let's move on. This has been proved. Let's move on to next question. So friends, let's do this question. In the given figure, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to points E and D respectively. So this side has been produced to E, this side has been produced to D. Alright. If bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE, this BO is the bisector of angle CBE, this CO is the bisector of angle BCD, okay, respectively meet at point O. Alright. Then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half angle BAC. Okay, and this XYZ we have been given. So let us do it. Solution. First of all, what are the given things? Let us write it. Given. So given are, this BO is the bisector of angle CBE. Given things are, BO is the bisector bisector of angle CBE, and similarly CO is the bisector of angle BCD. This is what we have been given, and also this angle XYZ have been given, no problem. So let's start the solution. Since we have to prove that angle BOC equal to this much, in the question it is involved angle BOC and angle BAC, so our focus will be on angle BOC and angle BAC. So angle BOC, this is angle BOC, okay. So we will keep focusing on this triangle, and first of all on these angles. So let's start. This angle CBO is half of this, because it is the bisector. We can write angle CBO is equal to half of angle CBE, okay. And we can also write that this angle CBE plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. Angle CBE plus Y is equal to 180 degree. This is linear pair axiom, or a straight angle you can say. So angle CBE will be equal to 180 minus Y, 180 degree minus Y. We will put it here. Let us take this one, let us take this 2. So substituting equation 2 in 1, equation 2 in equation 1, what we get? We get angle CBO is equal to half of 180 minus Y, that is equal to 90 minus Y by 2. This will be equation 3, okay. Angle CBO, we got angle CBO equal to 90 minus Y by 2. Similarly we will act on this angle BCO, okay. Also angle BCO is equal to half of angle BCD, okay. This is the bisector, and this angle BCD is 180 minus Z. I am writing it directly, half of 180 minus Z, that will be equal to 90 minus Z by 2. So angle BCO equal to 90 minus Z by 2. So let us take it equation 4. Now angle CBO, angle BCO we have got. Now the angle sum property says that this angle CBO plus BCO plus O, angle CBO plus angle BCO plus angle BOC is equal to how much? 180 degree. This is angle sum property. Okay. So angle CBO is how much? 90 minus Y by 2, plus BCO is how much? 90 minus Z by 2, plus angle BOC is equal to 180. So this 180 and 90 plus 90, 180 we will cancel. This implies angle BOC is equal to half of Y plus Z, Y by 2 plus Z by 2. So now let us keep it as equation 5. Angle BOC equal to half of Y plus Z, angle BOC, okay. We have to prove this angle BOC equal to 90 minus this. Now we will consider this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. In triangle ABC, x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. We all know the same thing, angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property of a triangle, okay. X plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. Now we will put, this implies y plus z equal to how much? 180 minus x, okay. This implies half of y plus z equal to how much? Half of y plus z equal to half of 180 minus x, and that will be equal to 90 minus x by 2. Let us write it equation 6. Now this 6 we will put in equation 5. Putting equation 6 in equation 5, we get, what we get? Angle BOC is equal to half of y plus z, and half of y plus z we have calculated this one, 90 minus x by 2, that is equal to 90 minus half of angle BAC, because this BAC is x by 2 means half of angle BAC, and this is what we had to prove, angle BOC equal to 90 minus half of angle BAC. So angle BOC equal to 90 minus half of angle BAC, this is proved. So I hope everything is clear in this question. This is also a good question. We first of all we have to target that what are the things we have to calculate and what are the things we have to concentrate on. So here it was angle BOC, so we concentrated on this triangle. Alright, then we had to bring out this relation between angle BAC, so then we concentrated on this triangle, and then we got some information and we put into the equations, and that this is how we got it, what we had to prove, angle BOC equal to 90 minus half of angle BAC. Alright, so let's move on to some more questions, very good questions. These two questions were very good. So guys, let us see this question. The question is like this: in the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, AB is parallel to CD. Prove that angle BAE minus DCE is equal to angle AEC. Okay, we will solve it. First of all, let us extend this line. Let us extend this line like this. Okay, meeting this side EC at point F, and let us name the angles. Like let us take this angle 1, let us take this angle 2, let us take this angle 3, let us take this angle 4, and let us take this angle 5. Okay, to avoid confusion, let us do these things. Now we have to prove, let us write it, to prove angle BAE minus angle CDE, angle BAE minus angle CDE is equal to angle AEC, or in our naming, in our nomenclature, angle BAE is how much? BAE is how much? Angle 1, minus CDE how much? CDE, it should be DCE, yes, DCE is how much? Angle 3 is equal to AEC how much? AEC means angle 2. So we have to prove angle 1 minus angle 3 equal to angle 2. Okay, let's do it. First of all, we can write this angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Since AB and CD are parallel lines and EC is a transversal, these are the corresponding angles, angle 3 and angle 4. So we can write like this, lines AB and CD are parallel, okay, and EC is the transversal, therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are the corresponding angles. Alright, so first of all, let us write it as equation 1, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Now let us focus on this triangle, in triangle AEF. Now in triangle AEF, we can write that angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. We can write it, this angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property of a triangle. Now this angle 2 plus angle 4 we will keep it like this, but angle 5, this angle 5 we will write as 180 minus angle 1, 180 degree minus angle 1. Why? Because linear pair axiom says that angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. So we can write angle 5 equal to 180 minus angle 1. Okay. This implies this 180 will cancel out. Angle 2 plus angle 4 minus angle 1 equal to 0, or you can write angle 1 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 like this. Now let us write as equation 2. Now angle, we will substitute this angle 3 equal to angle 4 here, substituting equation 1 in 2, substituting equation 1 in equation 2, we get angle 1 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. In place of angle 4 I am writing angle 3, angle 1 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3, and we had to prove angle 1 minus angle 3 equal to angle 2. So or angle 1 minus angle 3 is equal to angle 2, or angle BAE minus DCE, angle BAE minus angle DCE is equal to angle AEC. This is proved. 1 minus 3 equal to 2. We had to prove this one, angle 1 minus angle 3 equal to angle 2. So this was a simple question. But we have used so many axioms and theorems in every question we are using, like corresponding angles, angle sum property, linear pair axiom, everything we have studied, we have to use, otherwise it's not possible. You have to remember all these axioms and theorems. Okay, let's move on. So friends, our next question is like this. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, then we have to prove that P plus Q minus R equal to 180 degree. Okay, so let's solve this question. First of all, we will draw a line parallel to any of the lines and passing through this vertex Q. Alright, let us name it P and T. Okay, let us name it P and T. Parallel to any of the lines AB or CD and passing through Q. Okay, this is the construction. So draw a line PT parallel to AB or CD. If it is parallel to one of the lines, then it will be parallel to this also, because this AB is parallel to CD. So this PT will be parallel to AB and PT will be parallel to CD also. Now let us write these angles. First one, this Q1, and this one is Q2. We are considering this Q1 and Q2. Okay. Now if PT and CD, if PT parallel to CD and let us name it O, and here let us name it E, let us name it here F. Okay, and OE is a transversal, and OE is the transversal, we can assume this PT parallel to CD and OE is the transversal. Then this angle R will be equal to this angle Q2. R is equal to Q2. How? These are the alternate interior angles and these are equal. Alternate interior angles and these are equal. So R equal to Q2. Also this PT is parallel to AB, PT parallel to AB, and OF is the transversal, then what we can write? Therefore this angle will be how much? 180 minus Q1. This angle will be 180 minus Q1 because whole angle is 180 degree. This one is Q1, so 180 minus Q1 equal to angle P. 180 minus Q1 is equal to angle P. I am writing it directly. Okay, but here we are using linear pair axiom. this angle q1 plus this angle equal to 180, so this angle equal to 180 minus q1, and that will be equal to angle p. Okay, you can write these are the alternate interior angles and that one is linear pair axiom. So using both of these, using linear pair axiom and alternate interior angles theorem. Okay, so 180 minus q1 equal to p. This implies q1 equal to how much? q1 equal to 180 minus p. 180 minus p. This is equation 2, same equation. Now when we add equation 1 and equation 2, adding, let us add both sides, adding equation 1 and 2, what we get? Adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get, in the left hand side, let us take q1 and here q2, here q1. So q1 plus q2 is equal to, here it is r plus 180 minus p. R plus 180 minus p. We have taken this q2 this side, means q2 equal to r, and then we are adding q1 plus q2 equal to r plus 180 minus p. Okay. Now this q1 plus q2 equal to how much? Q. Because we have assumed this one q1 and q2, then this q1 plus q2 equal to q, which we have been given. So q is equal to r plus 180 minus p. Now what we need to prove? P plus q minus r. So directly we can write p, this p we will change to this side, p plus q minus r, we will take r this side, equal to 180 degree, and this is what we have to prove. So it's a simple thing, but we have to use every axioms and theorems and a little bit of construction also, so that it becomes easier. Alright, so let's move on to next question. So friends, let's solve this question. In the given figure, AB is parallel to PQ. Line AB, sorry, I have written PQ, so it will be here PQ. Alright, AB is parallel to PQ. Find the values of x and y. It is x and it is y. Alright, we will solve it. First of all, AB is parallel to PQ, then this angle 25 plus y, I mean this angle and this angle 75, they will be corresponding angles. AB parallel to PQ and this is transversal, so this angle and this angle will be corresponding angles. That means, let us, this angle EFQ and this one, let us write it here, M, angle MEB are corresponding angles when AB is parallel to PQ, and EF is the transversal, or better you write it MN is the transversal. Okay, MN is the transversal. So we can write this angle 75 is equal to this angle y plus 25, the whole will be y plus 25, corresponding angles axiom, you can write it, corresponding angles axiom. These two angles will be equal. This implies y equal to how much? 75 minus 25, that is equal to 50 degree. So this is one of the answers, y equal to 50 degree. Now this y equal to 50 degree, we have to find this x. So we will concentrate on this triangle E, just name it EOF. So in triangle EOF, this x plus this 25 plus this angle means x plus 25 plus this angle OEF, that is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. So we have this 25, we have to find out this. So this we can find directly, since this is making a linear parallelogram. So 75 plus 20 plus this equal to 180. So this angle will be equal to 180 minus this plus this. So angle OEF is equal to 180 minus this 75 plus 20. We have been given 75 plus 20. That will come out 85 degree. Alright. So angle OEF equal to 85 degree. We will put it here. Let us write it 3. Let us write it 2. Let us write it 1. So putting 3 in 2. Putting equation 3 in equation 2. We get, what we get? X plus 25 plus OEF is how much? 85. That is equal to 180. So simply we will get x equal to 180 minus 85 plus 25, 5, 90 and 20, 110. So it will come out 70 degree. So basically x equal to 70 and y equal to 50 degree. We have to find out x and y. So x equal to 70, y equal to 50 degree. This is the answer. Okay. This was a simple question. So let's move on to next question. So friends, let's solve this small question. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Find the values of x, y and z. So we will solve it. First of all, AB is parallel to CD and this is a transversal. Let us write it P, Q and R. AB is parallel to CD and PQ and PR are transversals. So we can say that this angle 125 is equal to, this is a transversal. First of all, this is a transversal. So 125 equal to 75 plus z. 125 equal to 75 plus z. How? These are alternate interior angles. This implies z equal to 125 minus 75, that is equal to 50 degree. Answer. Second, this PQ is a transversal. These are parallel lines, PQ is a transversal. So this y equal to 75. Also y equal to 75 degree. This is also done. Now we have got z, we have got y. X we can easily find out, the x plus y equal to 180. X plus y equal to 180 degree. This is linear parallelogram. So x is equal to 180 minus y, that is equal to 180 minus 75, that is equal to 105 degree. So x equal to 105 degree, y equal to 75 degree and z equal to 50 degree. 105, 75 and 50. Okay, this was a small question. Alright. So friends, we have solved some 6 questions and these were very good questions, and I hope that the whole chapter is now clear to you. Every axiom, every theorem is clear to you, and you have also seen with the use of these theorems these sorts of questions, some very nice questions. So let's conclude this chapter here, and from the next video we will move on to the 7th chapter. And I hope this journey is going very nice and you are enjoying my videos. You are learning in a very good manner, and please connect with my channel, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.